To begin, open the Zoom mobile app. If you do not already have the Zoom app installed on your Android device, you can download it from the Google Play Store. After launching Zoom, tap Sign In. On the Sign In screen, we are going to tap the Sign In with SSO button. You will then be prompted to enter your company domain. In the box, enter CSU Ohio, all one word, and then tap Continue. This will open a new browser tab for CSU's SSO sign-in page. Enter your CSU ID at csuohio.edu and tap Next. Then, enter your campus password and tap Sign In. You are now logged in to the Zoom app through SSO. Email us at instructionaltech@csuohio.edu or visit our virtual Zoom help meeting Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 at https://csuohio.edu/Zoom help.